Actually, ringing the bell of peace in Swat is the third time after in 2019 that we had two bells already installed in Taxila and Peshwa. And during that time that Most Venerable came, he had met late Prince Anand Aurangzeb. And late Prince kindly offered the invitation to Most Venerable to come to Swat to please humbly have the bell of peace installed here, because he would like to have the sound of peace ringing from this bell to be heard by the world. And so this will be the signal that everyone can know that Pakistan is a land of peace.
स्वात म्यूज़ियम में जो अमन की घंटी बेल ऑफ पीस लगा है, इसका मकसद ये है कि जब इस घंटी की आवाज़ गूंजे तो ये पाकिस्तान, स्वात और थाईलैंड और पूरी दुनिया में अमन का पैगाम फैलाए। ये घंटी आज से 2 साल पहले मरहूम प्रिंस मियागुल अदनान औरंगज़ेब ने इस मंक से कहा था। ये थाईलैंड के बहुत ही बड़े मंक हैं और पूरी दुनिया में इसके पैरोकार हैं। तो लेकिन फिर कोविड आया, कोविड के बाद उन्होंने अपना वादा पूरा किया और यहाँ स्वात म्यूज़ियम में स्वात और पाकिस्तान के लोगों की अमन और खुशहाली के लिए ये घंटी लगाई और आज इसके गूंज भी हमने सुनी।
I'm Colonel Adisak Chawushian. I'm the Defense Attaché from Thailand. Today is a very auspicious day. We celebrate the King Rama X's birthday, and we also install the Bell of Peace. Okay, this is the second one. The first one also in Taxila, and we really grateful for the support from the government of Pakistan, for the people, all the people involved here, government of Thailand, and every people make it happen today. It's the Bell of Peace, which the Most Venerable Arya Wangso has already speak everything about the objective and the reason, and I'm sure that the ring of the bell will send the peace signal to all over the world, and you make people become everybody become loving and peaceful, and all the places in the world will be peaceful, hopefully, with the blessing.